Ever thought about fighting inflammation with delicious food? Well, today we're making superfood turmeric chicken, crispy, flavorful fried chicken that also helps combat inflammation. Packed with turmeric, a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse, and cooked in a healthy air fryer, this recipe lets you indulge without guilt. But it's not just about the turmeric. This chicken is loaded with a blend of spices that bring a host of health benefits. Not only does it help fight inflammation, but it's also rich in antioxidants and essential nutrients. Plus, cooking it in an air fryer gives you that golden, crispy perfection without the excess oil. How healthy is that? Let's start it now. To make this dish, start by blending garlic, shallots, coriander, salt, and pepper into a smooth paste. The spices we're using not only make the chicken taste incredible, but also pack a ton of health benefits. Candle nuts and garlic have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help strengthen the immune system and fight off free radicals. Coriander is rich in antioxidants that help fight inflammation and support overall well-being. Add some olive oil to make it easier to blend the spices. When else can you enjoy something so delicious that's also good for you? Stick around. This recipe is super easy, and you probably already have everything you need at home. Heat a pan and sauté the spice paste until fragrant and cooked through. Add lemongrass and bay leaves for a fresh, aromatic touch, and 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder. Stir well until the aroma comes out and the spices are cooked through. Turmeric is packed with curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that helps reduce inflammation in the body, offering excellent health benefits. Lemongrass provides a refreshing aroma and supports digestion with its anti-inflammatory qualities, while bay leaves contain compounds that aid in reducing inflammation and promoting digestive health. Prepare your chicken by poking it with a fork or any sharp tool. This allows for better flavor absorption and ensures that the chicken is well seasoned throughout. Next, add the chicken and stir until it's well coated with the spices. With such a rich blend of spices, this chicken dish is not only bursting with flavor, but also packed with health benefits. Each ingredient works together to provide anti-inflammatory effects, support a healthy body, and strengthen natural immunity. Let the marinated chicken rest for at least 3 to 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow the flavors to fully absorb. Grease the air fryer rack to prevent sticking. Once marinated, place the chicken in an air fryer and cook for 20 to 25 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius or about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Flip the chicken after the first 10 minutes to ensure even cooking. If it's not golden or crispy enough, add another 2 to 3 minutes until it's perfectly golden and crunchy. So, if you're looking to indulge without worrying about your health, this superfood turmeric chicken is the answer. It's not just satisfying, it's nourishing too. Give it a try at home and let us know how it turned out in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.